Reading here is that in 2000 that there was a eviction.
In 2000, ma'am, I was born in 98. That would have made me 2 years old.
Ask me, why would I need credit repair? Why don't people just pay their bills? And they don't understand that people, young adults, are coming into life, starting their life with this situation where family members, big mama, have put bills in their child's names and messed up their credit. But guess what? You are not doomed. You can do something about it, especially when you use my online DIY system. Let me show you. Well, I use an online do-it-yourself credit resource that helped me pull my credit reports, identify errors, and dispute negative items, using credit dispute letters that it even prints for you. In addition to sending those letters to the bureaus, it also shows you how to lower your credit utilization and build good credit moving forward. That's how some of our clients have used this system to get success. Here's another client's result. And here's another member's results. So if you're dealing with family members messing up your credit, or maybe you've messed up your own credit and you want to get it fixed, you want to fix it yourself, let me know in the comments, give me a follow.